I'm Lithin Pranav. I'm going to show you how to do some basic things in C programming language. First, search online DBC compiler and go to this first link. You didn't get the link means the link is in the description below. Okay, now let's start. Before that, you should sign up. If you are new, if you are old means sign in or it will defaultly go to your account. Okay, I'll delete all the code. Start from the first. First, put hash include stdio dot h. This means the include standard input and output dot h. That's the meaning of this. We are going to see the hello world program in C. So yeah, all the program need this include standard input and output dot h. Remember that if you are doing any C programming, first line should be that include the standard input and output dot h. Okay, next in main you whenever you enter any program in this int main will automatically exit this first. That means this one will executed be first will be executed this. After that any program outside will executed after that. We are going to see only many programs in int main only. Today's video all many people doing int main, so we'll do in int main only. Okay, now hello world, so you put print f. Print f will print whatever you put inside function brackets, that's the curly brackets, and this. Okay, now I'm going to give hello world. Okay, now a semicolon. Next what we will do is, that's all. After that put return space 0 semicolon. That's all. We'll run and see our code. See, we got the hello world code here. This one hello world code is finished now. Okay, if you want to save this thing, click on Ctrl S or save this program like here. Click on beautify. If you click on beautify, everything will come in the coding order. If you want to share means share, you can download the code, you can for debug run here and stop, you can click on enter here, click enter, that's all. It will be finished. Now what we will do is, now we are going to see the introduction for variables in C. Introduction in variables. A variable is like data storing thing. That is a data storing thing. Example, if you have a box, um, this is a box. After that, you will name the variable. That means you are naming that box. What is going to be in there? There are the types of variables. There are int, integer, float for decimal values, and char, that is for characters, and double, double and void. Void means nothing. We have these five, and each one has a symbol I'll give like some notes, that symbols, everything. I'll give us some notes, or I'll give us give the notes for this also in the video description. So watch, see that also. Next, what we are going to do is, now we are going to see the variables thing. Okay, that also always include the DV hash in, include stdio dot h. Next, or int main and or function brackets. After that, the parenthesis. Okay. Now for variables, we are going to first we will start with the first we are going to start with int. Okay. Today we are going to see for three variables. The three variables we'll mainly use, that is int, float, and char. First we'll see for int. Int space, we are going to declare a variable. We are declaring a variable a. After that, a semicolon. Okay. Now we are going to give a's value. A's value, a is equal to, I'm giving us 8. Okay, and the semicolon. Now we are going to print the value of a. That how we are going to do is printf, printf. After printf, give this and this. After that, give slash n, the value, the value of the variable a is, for integer we should give percentage d. After that, in that percentage d, you'll take the it knows that we are going to do a integer variable. After that, whatever variable in order, if we give the another d here, means here we two d's, no, that time you should give in order. Example, if you give like this, see, you give here also 1% d, and there also 1% d. If you have like a and b you have. Okay, so now we have two thing. First one, we want to display the b, so we will type b comma and a. Second one, we want to show the a, that means you'll show the a. Okay, that's all. It'll be, it's very simple. Okay, now we want to show only one value, so I'll delete this one, this one. After that, here I'll put only a, and I'll close. Now we'll show here the value of the variable a is 8. It showed here. Okay, now we are finished for the integer. Now we'll see what is the float. Integer is for whole numbers, and float, when you declare float, yields a decimal. The difference between int and float, that is int is a whole number, will declare a whole number, and float will declare a decimal number. Now we'll see for float only some changes. Here float and a will give like 12.000123. Okay, this is a decimal value, so we'll give the value of a variable a. Here also it will change percentage f and a. Now we'll see it is changed to a decimal. Okay, now here we have now we'll give another number for 12.21. We'll do like that. Now it shows like 12.21 So we can, what we can do is in mid you keep the cursor near the percentage and middle. After that give here 0.2. Okay, will after giving 0.2 it will only show two decimal values. If you give c 2, shows only two decimal values. Now we will give 0.3, will show only two, three decimal values. See, same how much you give in give show like 0.100 will show many. See here it goes like many. So how much ever you give in the decimal value, that much will show. Now for us we need only 0.2, so we will give. Okay, that's all. Next we are going to see about char. That's the character variable. Character variable is used for string values like A, B, C, D, alphabets, words, letters, etc. Now we'll put char. In char, we'll give A's value as like my channel name, Geeky Code Lithin. This can give. Now here the value of the variable a is, now we are going to give percentage c. That means for a character variable. That's all, like this. Now we'll give run c. It gives an error because we didn't use this one. We didn't use this, means it'll show a error. The value of a is c. See, showing only the last one will give us some simple like Taj, like how we can place the, we can put table. Okay, I will run and see the program. See, char is showing too long. It's telling we can put it telling like too long. We'll put one value is only shows alphabet, so we'll put y. Okay, the char variable holds only like one letter. I think. See, now it's not showing any warning, error, etc. Now it's showing correctly. So what we can do is, now we are going to addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division operations. Okay. Next, I'm going to give include to stdio.h in main function brackets, and this parenthesis, enter. Now, now we are going to add the integers. So int is equal to, we'll give like opt1, opt2, opt1 and opt2. Okay, we'll close this. Now opt1 value is, we'll give a equal to, and we will enter as like 12. We'll enter 5, and here we forgot one thing. You should put sum. Put sum means it's for addition operation, or you can declare any variable. I declared called sum. Okay, opt1 is equal to 5. That means opt1 where value is 5. Okay, we'll close this, and op2, that is op2 is equal to, we'll put like 3. Now here what we'll do means, sum sum is equal to opt1 plus opt2. Okay, close this. After that, put sum. Okay, now we should give printf printf should give percentage b plus 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 percentage d is equal to percentage d. Okay, now now we will put the percentage d plus percentage d is equal to percentage d. That means opt1 plus opt1 is equal to sum. Okay, now we'll give this comma and put op1 opt1. Next we want opt2, opt2, and here sum. Okay, now we'll run and see. If any semicolon is missing, you'll give a error suddenly. Suddenly you'll give a error when we run, when this semicolon is not there. See, they are saying there's no semicolon before sum. saying there's no semicolon. Yes, semicolon only. Now you beautify. See, it'll show always like this error. Take time to solve. We'll just take it. Um, okay, 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay, see, now we got 5 plus 3 is 8. Now we are going to see for subtraction. We will give sub. Okay, now OPT one, the only small changes like here will come as division symbol. No, here minus symbol. 5 minus 3 will show now. See, here we give some sub. Now we'll run. Here also sub. Okay. Now here we should change minus. There are many processes. So 5 minus 3 is 2. Now we are going to for multiplication. Do mul for multiplication and here also multiplication. Mul here we will give the ampersand. No, here also the multiplication symbol. Now we will run 5 threes are 15. We got. Now we will divide. Div, we give divider because div is showing red color. I think for some other purposes. Okay, now divide also divide. Now in this give this division symbol. Also you do the division symbol. Now 5 divided by 3 is 1. Always remember for division we can use float because we'll show some accurate answers. See, we should change this. F F is F. Put run. See, it shows the accurate answer. We just need 2 or 3. Okay, so we'll give 0.2 by 0.2 is equal to 0.2. 0. Okay, now we are ready. See, 5 divided by 3 is 1.67. We give. That's all guys. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll posting videos every week or two. Okay, so stay tuned. Bye.